Okay, sorry for the disturbance. We will proceed. So we will comparing these two, and we have seen that voltage divider bias is better. Design problem. Actually, we have started with the design problem. So let us start with that one. Once again, I will write here problem. Design voltage divider bias circuit to provide Q point 6 volt 2 milliamperes. Instead of 1.5, I will make it 2 milliamperes. Okay. Use following parameters. And I mentioned that you use VCC 12 volt. You use beta of transistor equal to how much? I mentioned 150. So let us make it 100. Simplification. And VBE 0.7, that is, it is not mentioned. If it is not mentioned, you take 0.7 only. And stability factor. So less than or equal to 12, I will take 10 so that again figures will be better. So first thing what you have to do, what they have asked, voltage divider bias. So you have to draw the circuit of voltage divider bias. So sometimes if you are not able to get full marks, so you can get partial marks in such problems if you draw just circuit diagram, correct circuit diagram. So you may get out of 10, if 10 marks are there, total 10 marks, then you may get 1 or 2 marks. Okay, but correctness has to be there. Okay, so this is, you have to find out values of R1, R2, RC, and RE to get values of 6 volt VCE and this one. So how to start with? So you have to assume something. Okay, so solution here is solution. Okay, so first let us understand what is SiCO. SiCO is given by 1 plus beta divided by 1 plus beta into what is this? Re divided by RBB plus Re. Okay, so and what is given to you? SiCO is given. What is it? Should be less than 12. So assume first thing, our assumption is SiCO, let it be 10. So what I am doing this, if it is equal to 10, then beta is already known to you, that is 100. This becomes 101. And this is beta into Re divided by RBB plus Re. So beta is 100, right? So if I remove this, so this will be 100. So if you see here, this factor is very, very high as compared to, if you see, as compared to 1. So I can simplify that. I can write SiCO is equal to 1 plus beta, that is 100, divided by 1, I will neglect. So in numerator, 100 times Re divided by, what is this? RBB plus, what is this? 1 plus beta means 101 times of, no, it's just Re, it's just Re. Okay, and this is 10. So this is equal. Okay, so it's a 10. So when you do this, so what you will get? So you will get 101 is equal to 10 in bracket. What you will get? RE divided by RBB plus RE. Am I right? Or what you will get? RBB plus RE, which is equal to 10 times of RE, because this will come this side, na? Like this. Okay, so approximately I am calculate 100 and this one I calculate. So what I can say that RBB is approximately equal to 9 times of RE. So this is the relationship you got. If you want stability factor equal to 10, so RBB is 9 times of this one. Actually, this entire expression I can approximately write like this: 1 plus RBB divided by RE. And same thing we have got it. Okay. So what we will do, let us assume RE is equal to, I told you that you have to assume something 1K. Okay, so therefore, what will be the value of RBB? RBB is equal to 9K, right? RBB is equal to 9K. You got it? RBB is equal to 9K. So how to proceed now? So what we got two values. One is RE is equal to 1K, and other value is RBB is equal to 9K. Now what they have mentioned? They mentioned that our VCEQ has to be 6 volt and IC has to be 2 milliamperes, right? So let us apply KVL to output loop. ये तो पहले भी किया है. Apply KVL to output loop. Now output loop means where? Here. So when you apply this, you know that VCC is equal to voltage drop across RC plus voltage drop across RE plus VCE. And already we did that, and I can directly write here VCC is equal to IC into RC plus RE here plus VCE. Why I did this? What you are going to get from this equation? You are going to get from this equation value of RC, because everything is known. This is 2 milliampere because this is required. VC is already given, that is 6 volt. Only RC is not known. So what I can do, so ICRC means, if I simplify, ICRC is equal to VCC minus ICRE minus VCE. And from this equation, I can get the value of this one, ICRE minus VCE. Very simple, divided by IC. Here everything is known to you. So let us see 12 volt. This is 2 milliamperes. I said 2 milliamperes, and this is 1K, means that is 2. And VC is 6 divided by this 2 milliamperes. So if you do this, so what equation you will get? 12 minus 8, that is 4. 4 divided by 2 milliamperes, which is nothing but 2 kilo ohms. What it means, if you select value of RC equal to 2 kilo ohms and RE equal to 1K, so you will get VCE is equal to 6 volt, right? Now what you have to do? Two values you got. RC you got, RE you got. Only R1 and R2, because R1 and R2 decides your IB. Then how to calculate value of IB? Because if you remember this equation, base current IB is equal to VBB minus, you know what is that equation? VBE divided by RBB into 1 plus beta times of RE. अभी do you have equation of VBB? VBB है आपके पास? नहीं है. So calculate VBB. How you will calculate VBB? Just simplify this equation. What you will get? IB RBB plus 1 plus beta times of plus 1 plus beta times of RE plus VBE. Now in this equation, what is unknown? That is IB is unknown. Here also IB is unknown. So IB value is calculated IC divided by beta. How much is IC? IC is 2 milliampere. What is beta? Beta is 100 for simplification. So how much it will be? 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 milliamperes. That is equal to 20 microamperes. So my IB is 20 microampere. Just substitute there. What do you get? VBB is equal to IB is 20 into 10 to the power minus 6. And RBB already you have calculated 10 to the power 3. Right? Plus 1 plus 1. So I can just 1 plus beta means I will, for simplification, I will take 100. RE kitna hai? 1K 10 to the power 3 into 20 10 to the power minus 6 plus 0.7 volt VBA का. तो कितना आता है? 180 9 into 20 कितना? 0 80 180 right? And ये कितना? 10 to the power minus 3 means 0.18. यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? 2000 बराबर है क्या? 100 into 20 2000. कुछ गलत तो नहीं हो रहा? Yes, might be 2000 into 10 to the power minus 3 and this is 0.7. अभी इसको simplify करोगे तो how much VBB you got? This is 0.18 plus 2000 10 to the power means 2 volt. Yes, right. And this is how much? 0.7. So 0.11 means VBB is 2.88 volt. Just correct me if I am wrong. I may make mistakes. So okay. So VBB you got. Right. So why I got to VBB? Why I calculated VBB? Because I will get R1 and R4. How? VBB is equal to, you know, that is R2 divided by R1 plus R2 into VCC. You know this. So what I will do now, just to calculate VBB, I will multiply VBB by R1. Right hand side also I will multiply this one. And very soon you will come to know why I did like this. Because this R1, R2 divided by R1 plus R2 is nothing but RBB. So from this equation, this is R1 into VBB. What you get? R1 is equal to RBB multiplied by VCC divided by VBB. So VBB already you have calculated and you got it. So how much it is? Anyone has calculated? RBB is 9K, VCC is 12K, 12 volt, and VBB just 2.88. So does somebody is having calculator? Is anybody? I am having calculator. If you don't have, don't worry, I will give you direct answer. But at least in the exam, you have to do it on your own. 37.5. So 37.5K. So you can say that R1 is equal to 37.5K. And how to calculate R2? How to calculate R2? Because you know that 1 divided by RBB is equal to 1 divided by R1 plus 1 divided by R2. All of you know this. So 1 divided by parallel combination. So it is 1 divided by RBB minus 1 divided by R1. So you can calculate very easily. Again, you can make use of calculator. Okay. So this one. And this gives me 11.84 kilo ohms R2. So I have calculated all values. If you see here, I have calculated all values here, R1, and all these values satisfies the given requirement. Okay. So see here, RC, how much I got? I got 2K. How much I got here? It is 1K. Okay, so here there will be 4 volt, here there will be 2 volt. So 6 volt, and this is 12 volt. So VCQ will be this one. So this is 37.5K, and this is 11 point, how much last value? 11.84. So in this way, you can design this one. Very simple steps, only basic understanding you must have. So I think now this is 3 o'clock. So what I will do, I will stop here. I will immediately upload these slides, as well as I will stop the recording. But before that, let me take the attendance then.